Blast off to learning the wonder of bottle rockets. Bottle rockets are awesome. They're a fun way to learn about science. You build them yourself. You launch them into the air. What's not to love? Bottle rockets teach us about physics. We see how pressure creates power. We see how design affects flight. It's all about experimentation and discovery. Bottle rockets are for everyone. You can do this with your friends or family. Everyone can get involved in building and launching. Get ready for some serious fun and learning. And before we start building, let's gather our materials. This is an exciting part of the process, and it's important to have everything ready before we dive in. Don't worry, you probably have most of this stuff at home already. It's amazing what you can create with everyday items. We like to use things we find around the house. It makes the project more fun and eco-friendly. First, you'll need an empty plastic soda bottle. This will be the main body of our rocket, so make sure it's sturdy. This will be the body of our rocket. It's important to choose a bottle that is clean and dry to ensure the best results. Make sure it's clean and dry. Next, grab some cardboard. This will be used to create the fins and the nose cone of our rocket. We'll use this for the fins and nose cone. You can get creative with the shapes and sizes of these parts. You can use an old cereal box or any cardboard you have lying around. Recycling materials is a great way to be resourceful. Finally, you'll need some tape. This will hold all the parts together securely. Duct tape works best, but any strong tape will do. Make sure it's something that can withstand the pressure when we launch our rocket. We'll also use some water to power our rocket. More on that later. Water is a key component in creating the thrust needed for our rocket to soar. Now let's build our rocket. This is going to be an exciting project that combines creativity and science. This is where your creativity comes in. You can customize your rocket to make it unique. First, gather all your materials: a plastic bottle, baking soda, vinegar, and a cork. Fill the bottle with vinegar. Next, add baking soda to a tissue and wrap it up. This will act as your fuel. Insert the tissue into the bottle and quickly seal it with the cork. Make sure it's tight and secure. Give the bottle a good shake to mix the ingredients. Place the bottle on the ground and stand back. Watch as your rocket launches into the sky. Get ready for an exhilarating experience. Your rocket is starting to look like the real deal. Get ready for the next steps to launch it into the sky. Section 4, the science of soaring, how bottle rockets defy gravity. Now for the science. Ever wondered how a simple bottle can shoot up into the sky? We're going to use air pressure to launch our rocket. Ready for some action? Let's dive into the mechanics behind it. We'll use a simple launcher. It's easy to set up and fun to use. You can make one yourself or buy one online. Either way, it's a great project for all ages. The launcher forces air into the bottle. This air pressure is key to our rocket's flight. When we add water to the bottle, it creates even more pressure. The water acts as a propellant. Remember, water doesn't like to be squeezed. This resistance is what helps build up the pressure. When we release the rocket, the pressure inside builds up rapidly. This sudden release is what gives the rocket its thrust. Finally, it pushes the water out with a big blast. The force of the water being expelled propels the rocket. This propels the rocket skyward. And there you have it, the science behind how bottle rockets defy gravity. Section 5. Safety first. Fun, always launching with care. Safety is important. Bottle rockets are super fun, but we need to be careful. Always launch your rocket outside in a clear area. Make sure there are no people, cars or buildings nearby. Wear safety glasses to protect your eyes. Never aim your rocket at anyone. Now stand back and watch your rocket soar. Experiment with different designs and see how high your rocket can fly. Most importantly, have fun and enjoy the wonder of science.